And
so
he
that's
might
also
yeah, I need to study him, but he seems like it's a good prospect. Na pia kumekuwa na hizo rumors ya wasee wakisema he's coming to replace Havertz. I don't know if it's to replace Havertz ama kukua like kushare position na Havertz. I don't but
and then there is this player for Sporting Lisbon who striker mwenye amekuwa akimake headlines, huyu Victor Gyökeres.
Gyökeres.
50, yeah, I don't know if he has 52 goals ama it's 52 goals plus assists, but that guy is on fire Cotes. So
Lakini saa
Sporting
zingine
wataitisha 100 million.
yo, that's a lot of money. We have to
Hmm.
buy more players. So ukispend hiyo pesa on one player and then si hata waende William Delap huko championship na 20 Gs ama 15.
Actually Delap ako na release clause ya 30 million. So if
Yeah.
Ipswich is relegated, so release clause is 30. But issue yenye watu wanasema na Delap wanasema ati he is